Let's have a look around in the back street of Jodhpur. It's 10 a.m. in the morning, and we somehow managed to reach to the back streets, which is the olden part of Jodhpur, and see how it feels like living or walking around here. Seems quite calm. People chilling out in the morning, shops playing music. Thank you. See how nice people are over here. They have a blue pasture shades across the shade of Jodhpur. Well, the reason why Jodhpur is called as the blue city is because of this blue pasture shade on the buildings, if you notice. This helps to keep the buildings cool, especially in the summer, because in the summer this place could get quite hot. Let's see what we can find. A crazy little hotel, a restaurant, and on the top, if you notice, you have Mehrangarh Fort. Let's carry on. Blue Cafe restaurant, yet to open. Thank you. Let's see what we can find. Let's carry on this way. Wow, just check out this big door leading us to an Haveli. You're always touching history whenever you're in places like this in India. Wow, wonderful place. Let's see what we can find ahead. Wonderful paintings, Rajasthani style. A vegetable shop. Check out this for an architecture. If you notice, this buildings over here down the cobble streets is made of stones rather than cement. Well, let's carry it on further here. People chilling around. Shops yet to open. We have a double-story building, probably a lot of people living together. Nice streets over here. A shop for people to nibble onto their snacks. Girls going to school. Wow, just check out this for an architecture. Imagine staying in places like these. Wonderful, isn't it? What do we have here? A little shop selling snacks, cigarettes, and everything that you need. Well, we have another alleyway, but we'll carry down here. Small kids having a walk. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Wow, how friendly people. We have a goat grazing on whatever it can. Wow, this is the sort of place that I really wanted to explore, unlike Jaipur, which is way too commercial. What do we have here? Another shop. People chilling out in the morning, enjoying the sunlight. Vegetable man selling his vegetable in the morning. People playing cricket back there. Hi.
Your name?
My name Abhishek.
My name Kadir.
My
name is Mohammed. Uncle, one photo please. Friend.
Thank you. Thank you again. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
You see how wonderful people are here in Jodhpur? What a lovely place. Let's see what we can find around. Let's see where this road leads us to. Dog having a sleep. Goat which is gonna end up going into curry soon. Hello, Ram Ramji. What do we have here? Wonderful Havelis. Just check out this for an architecture. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow, crazy. Let's see what we can find. Kids having their walk. Hi. नाम क्या है आपका? उमेर। और आप? इधर। आप यहाँ से हो? हाय। कैसे हो? क्या है आपका नाम?
आयान खान।
आयान खान। वाह, मेरा नाम अभिषेक है, मैं हैदराबाद से हूँ। हैदराबाद कहाँ है पता आपको? हाय। ये है जोधपुर, राइट? थैंक यू। जोधपुर पे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ ताकि यूट्यूब में जाके
फिल्म बनेगी।
फिल्म बना रहा हूँ। वही बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया जोधपुर।
इतनी अच्छी फिल्म बनेगी।
वही
खूब पैसा
दिख रहा है।
कमाओगे अल्लाह को। वो बहुत अच्छा इंसान है हमारा जोधपुर का।
डेफिनेटली
है ना?
डेफिनेटली सच
तुम
में।
क्या
मैं हैदराबाद का हूँ, सुना आपने?
क्या नाम?
अभिषेक। अभिषेक। Oh, the streets of Jodhpur is kind of loud. I was expecting this place to be really calm, but no. People seems to just have woken up. Let's see more. Chickens.
Hi,
Hi.
what is your YouTube channel name?
Broke and bankrupt.
Broken
Bankrupt.
Bankrupt.
ठीक है?
हमारे दोस्त बर्थडे आज
हाय,
है।
हेलो सर जी, कैसे हो?
बस
बढ़िया। YouTube जोधपुर के बारे में फिल्म बना रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, अच्छा।
YouTube में मेरा चैनल है,
अच्छा
तो वही अपलोड करूँगा जनवरी में, ठीक है? थैंक यू, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं आप लोग। थैंक यू। Beautiful little kids having something delicious. Biscuits, huh? Nice. Let's see what we can find in this small cobbled street. हेलो, हाय। क्या है आपका नाम? तन्नू। कौन से स्कूल में हो आप? राजस्थान। कौन से क्लास में हो आप? 5th क्लास। वाह, अच्छा शहर है आपका
हमारे
जोधपुर।
दोस्त हैदराबाद टीम में खेला है।
Such lovely people, right? We have small dogs chilling out. Pretty insecure though. Let's see what we can find. I made some friends who are walking with me. Hi, क्या है आपका नाम? फयान।
फैजान।
फैजान। सब दोस्त हैं आपके?
यस।
नाइस।
भैया इसका नाम है शालिक। शालिक।
शालिक। हाय शालिक। हाय।
भैया मेरा भाई
आपका छोटा भाई है?
हाँ।
ओह,
एक
nice.
फोटो खींच दो।
फोटो?
हाँ।
फोटो में हो आप? हाय बोल दो। हाय। Such cute kids here, huh?
इनका नाम
हेलो जी,
दादी।
राम राम, कैसे हो? सही है?
ये दादी है।
इनकी दादी है? ओह, अच्छा है। What do we have here? Mehran View Heritage Haveli with a rooftop restaurant. Wow, maybe I come back here later. Let's check out this area. Wow, just check out this for architecture. ये किसका घर है?
ये
बहुत सुंदर है ना ये घर?
ये मेरे दोस्त का है, उसके नाना का है। उसका नाम हसन है।
Hassan. One second. Let's check out this for the Haveli. Interesting place to stay, isn't it? And just behind the Haveli, you see on the top there is Mehrangarh Fort.
नहीं हवेली है बड़ी सी।
What do we have in the front? Let's see if we can find anything interesting, or we'll have to, call it off for the day.
नाम क्या?
Your friend, hi. क्या आपका नाम? हाँ?
यासीन।
यासीन। Hi यासीन, कैसे हो? अच्छे हो? Or maybe this route, the blue color shades. Let's see this area. ये भी हवेली है? अंदर क्या है हवेली का?
अंदर ये घर
घर। ओके ओके। थैंक यू। क्या है आपका नाम?
टीवी में।
क्या है आपका नाम? आपका नाम?
बुशरा।
बुशरा। कौन से क्लास में हो? थर्ड क्लास। जोधपुर में पढ़ते हो आप? अच्छा है, थैंक यू। घूम के आता हूँ वापस। आऊँगा मैं, पक्का आऊँगा।
कितना बजा?
And here, if you notice, we have frescoes of the Maharajas playing their traditional instruments. Wonderful, isn't it? And there's something more interesting that I've just noticed. Frescoes of Maharajas hunting for tigers. There were times here when tigers were prevalent in this area, but now they're just restricted to national parks like Ranthambore. Let's see what we can find ahead. This area or that? Maybe this area. Let's carry on. Yep. The streets are starting to get noisier. Careful, careful. Wonderful architecture again. Handicraft shops, handlooms. Streets starting to get noisier. What do we have? Let's carry on. Laundry shop. Probably the whole of the community comes here and gives their clothes for laundry. Wow, there's a traffic over here. Just check this out for traffic. Human traffic in the back streets of Jodhpur. Here we have mithai walas selling delicious Indian mithais, kachoris. Oh wow, hope we don't get run over. Yep. There is a lot that goes when you chill in the back streets of Jodhpur, isn't it? Have to be careful from cows, goats, traffic. Check out this for your human traffic. Well, seems like in Jodhpur you have to learn to maneuver yourself through from the traffic. You cannot get switched off here in order to avoid yourself from getting run over. We have a big general store, a supermarket where you can buy all your goods, all your rations. Well, let's continue for a couple of minutes and yeah, we'll call it off for the day. What do we have here? Electric shops, rickshawalas waiting for tourists so that they can take them around all over Jodhpur. Here we have Mahadev Mandir. So I see Ganesh ji inside. Hello ji, कैसे हो आप? आपका नाम क्या है?
कहाँ घूम रहे हो?
जोधपुर के ऊपर फिल्म बना रहा हूँ.
ये क्या है?
कैमरा है.
इतना छोटा कैमरा?
हाँ, इतना छोटा कैमरा अच्छा है ना, ज़्यादा भारी नहीं है तो इजीली हाथ में आ सकता है. शुक्रिया जी, थैंक यू. हाँ, हेलो जी. Such friendly people over here, like I said, they don't hesitate. They are very proactive in terms of making conversations, be it girl or guys. Unlike in Hyderabad, where people are so shy and reserved, in Jodhpur, people seem to be very welcoming towards the guests. Check out this for an architecture, a blue color, old Havelis. Let's check out this for a door. Seems like 200-300 years old. What do we have? We have a typewriter center. When was the last time you saw a typewriter center? People just typing in their machines. We have a Xerox machine. Probably they get paid for hourly basis for typing. We have a tire shop for filling air. Wonderful. I'm liking Jodhpur, isn't it? Such a wonderful place. Probably I would settle in a place like this rather than a boisterous and noisy commercial city. This is noisy too. What else can we find? Early morning traffic in Jodhpur. We have a Kirana store. Thank God for my Hindi. Good that I know my basic Hindi. Here we have people selling vegetables. Lady finger, cucumber, chilies, eggplants, ginger, cauliflower. What do we have? Maybe that's it from the back streets of Jodhpur. Yeah, we have a store here that probably sells a lot of sherwanis, trousers and shirts. The Balams. Great.
This is the country.
Huh? Indian? Hyderabad.
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 ओके
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम हिम्मत है हैदराबाद
हैदराबाद पता है आपको? कभी आया हैदराबाद आप?
मेरा बच्चा उधर ही रहता
ओह, अच्छा जगह है हैदराबाद। जोधपुर से तो ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है।
है जब कंपनी में लगा हुआ है
वो अमेज़न में काम करता है?
मुझे नेक्स्ट टाइम लगा मार्च में
मार्च में? ओह अच्छा।
चलो अपना शॉप है ना
हाँ।
कहाँ रुके हो आप
अब मैं फोर्ट के पास ऊपर,
वो जो फोर्ट के पास
फोर्ट के पास हाँ
आना
आऊँगा मैं, ठीक है?
वही अपना शॉप है
Thank you. Well, what do I say about Jodhpur? The more I keep exploring, the more I want to take off my camera, the more interesting people I meet. I want to show you people as to why this place is so magnificent. Let's carry down further. I think that's pretty much it from the streets of Jodhpur. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour across the old part of Jodhpur. And yep, hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, Jai Bole Ki.